See, I'm from Grand Rapids and up my way. We grow the best blueberries in the US of A. And when we put in the old HK, little markets will have something special next day. And then at dawn I had a scotch, I made him switch off the porn, cause there's nothing that's dirty about the ocean in the morning. Said nothing, no, nothing crossed my mind when they came starboard side up from behind. Well, down below deck, sit the Southern sec. Think one last put, I was sorting the sort. Well, and then a girl caught my eye as she was waving goodbye. Tell me, my dear, I said, sincere, would you know on the ship? And then she curled up her lip. I don't know no one there yet, but just wait, see what you get. 2, 3, 4. Pop it top and drink your drop, we'll never go home. Kiss and cry a while, we'll never go home. We'll never go home, we'll never go home. The radar said nothing, and nothing crossed my mind when they came starboard side up from behind. I never saw them coming, even though it's like they beat 2 of my men, simply out of spite. And then they came back to the helm, all kicked me over and said, do what we say or we'll kill you and your men. At the beady little eyes, I gathered my courage. I could see the surprise when I said, go ahead, you could cut my throat, but you ain't never been the cargo of my blueberry boat. It's sad and it's cold.